10 Incredible Health Benefits of Kale Salad. Kale is undoubtedly one of the most nutrient-dense and healthiest foods on the planet. This green leafy vegetable doesn't only offer amazing health benefits, but it is also well known for its medicinal nature. Medical science has approved this vegetable to be the nutritional king of leafy greens. It can be cooked into delicious dishes or eaten as a tasty and healthy salad. To provide you with a better idea, here are the 10 incredible health benefits of kale salad. Immense nutrition. Kale is one of the most nutrition-dense vegetables, which offers an immense number of health-friendly nutrients. It is loaded with various vitamins like A, K, C, B6, B1, B2, and B3. Furthermore, it also offers minerals like iron, potassium, copper, calcium, manganese, and magnesium, etc. It is also a great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Medicinal properties. Kale offers a great number of antioxidants like quercetin, vitamin C, beta-carotene, and kaempferol. All these elements help in preventing damage caused by free radicals due to oxidation. Several medical studies have proven the medicinal properties of this amazing green leafy vegetable. Thus, these antioxidants help in preventing health problems like high BP, inflammation, heart disorders, depression, and cancer, etc. Improves digestion. Due to the presence of dietary fiber, kale is known to be highly effective in boosting metabolism and digestion. For best results, you can eat the stem portion of this green leafy vegetable as it's filled with prebiotics. The raw stem is yummy to eat when fried in olive oil and spices. Moreover, improved digestion and metabolism is great for maintaining a proper weight. Enriched with vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the most crucial antioxidants, which offers a large number of health benefits. Firstly, it helps in decreasing the risk of chronic disorders like inflammation and heart disorders. Secondly, it also boosts the immune system to fight against all kinds of diseases and health issues. Thirdly, it helps in controlling and preventing health problems like high BP, iron deficiency, high uric acid levels, and dementia, etc. Thus, kale salad health benefits are both physical and psychological. Cholesterol management. If you have a high cholesterol problem, then kale is one of the best foods for you. Sequestrants are present in this green leafy vegetable, which prevents the reabsorption of bile acids by the digestive system. Excessive reabsorption of bile acids can lead to high cholesterol in the body. Thus, kale salad can help in preventing these acids from being reabsorbed in high amounts. This further helps in the control and management of cholesterol. Cancer-fighting properties. One of the best health benefits of kale salad is the presence of various cancer-fighting nutrients and elements. For instance, the sulforaphane present in kale helps in preventing the formation of cancer cells at a molecular level. Also, this leafy green vegetable contains indole 3-carbinol, which is medically proven to prevent cancer. Furthermore, several medical studies have shown the positive effects of eating kale for cancer prevention. Great for vision and skin. The presence of huge amounts of vitamin A in kale salad is a great addition to the list of kale salad health benefits. In medical science, vitamin A is known to be very good for eyesight and preventing vision problems. Moreover, it also helps in preventing skin problems like inflammation, wrinkles, and acne, etc. Weight loss. Weight loss and management are two of the top health benefits of kale salad. As this green leafy vegetable is a great source of sulfur and dietary fiber, it helps in the detoxification of the body. Detoxification helps in the removal of harmful toxins and foreign materials from the liver. As a result, it helps in boosting the functionality of the liver to boost metabolism and digestion. Thus, you can lose extra fat quickly to manage proper body weight. Calcium. Kale salad offers higher amounts of calcium than milk. Calcium is very important to build and maintain bone strength. Furthermore, it helps in boosting the functionality of the heart muscles and nerves. Also, it helps in keeping teeth stronger, while preventing health problems like diabetes and high BP. Psychological benefits. One of the best kale salad health benefits is the protection of our psychological fitness. The presence of flavonoids and omega-3 fatty acids helps in protecting the brain from problems like stroke, poor memory, and depression. Moreover, these essential elements also help in boosting the functionality and performance of our brain by preventing problems like inflammation. The bottom line. So these were the 10 incredible health benefits of kale salad that everyone must know about. This extremely nutritious green leafy vegetable should definitely be a part of your diet plan. You can cook it into a delicious dish or add it to your salad to keep your mind and body healthy always. Thanks for watching.